Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus the D-Rex. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with Godzilla versus the D-Rex. Let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up here for the eye. I'm going to make a little curve here. Next, I'm going to make a couple little curves right here for some detail behind the eye. Next, I'm going to make a couple little bumps right here, right above the eyebrow. Next, over here, I'm going to make another little line for the other eyebrow. Then I'm going to make a little line across, and then it's going to come down. Let's make some little curves here. And then let's make a little line. It's just going to kind of come up and then down here for the mouth, and then we're going to bring it down here as well. Let's make a little curve back here for the back of the mouth with some lines. Then let's make some little sharp points here for some teeth, and then we'll do the same thing here. Let's draw a curved line here for the tongue, and then we're going to bring this line back up here. Make a little line here, and then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then up to here for the jaw. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this line up and around for the head, and then we're going to make some little curved lines coming right around here for the neck. Then I'm going to curve some lines right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve this down for the arm. Then I'm going to bring this line down for the shoulder. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this over. I'm going to make a sharp claw here, one here, and then one here for the hands. I'm going to bring this line up and then into here. Next, over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down for the chest. I'm going to make another line right here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to bring this up. And then we're going to curve this around for one of the claws. Then I'm going to curve this line around here, and I'm going to put a couple more little curves here. Now, we're going to stop right there, and then we're going to work on the D-Rex over here. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come up and then down here. Then I'm going to make a little curve here for the eye. We're going to make a couple little lines underneath here. Next, I'm going to make a little wiggly line above it. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here. I'm going to bring this up and then down. And then I'm going to curve this line down. Let's make a line back here with a few more for the back of the mouth. And then we're going to make some sharp points here and then some sharp points here. Next, I'm going to bring a line back here and then a couple more here. Put a line right here for the nose. And then we're going to make a big line that's just going to come up here for the head and then back down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring this up here for the jaw. Next, I'm going to make a couple lines back here, and then up and down like this. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down for the tongue. Now, right up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make a big sharp claw here. I'm going to make a couple more sharp claws right here for the hand of the D-Rex. And then we're going to bring this down and then bring it up to here, kind of like Godzilla caught his arm right before he got him. Next, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines for the neck. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to make this line kind of come down and around. I'll make another one that's going to come down and around up here. Bring this up and then over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. And I'm going to curve this up here for the arm. I'm going to make this line come down. Next, I'm going to bring this line around here, and I'm going to add a couple little wrinkle lines. I'm going to make this line kind of curve up, and then down here for the tail. I'm going to make this line come down, and then back here for the back leg. Then we're going to add a couple little sharp claws on there. I'm going to bring this line up and in, and then we're going to kind of curve this up. And we're going to connect this to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. And we're going to put two little claws here, and then we're going to bring this back. Then we're going to do another one right here. We're going to put a little claw, we're going to bring it back, and we're going to put another one here. And we're going to bring this line down here for the arm. Next, over here on Godzilla, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring it over. I'm going to bring this line down and in. I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here. We're going to add a couple little wrinkle lines. Then I'm going to add some sharp claws right on here. I'm going to bring this up and in. A couple lines. I'm going to curve this up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and down. Then I'm going to make this line kind of curve up and down like this. And we're going to add a couple more little claws like this. Kind of make it look like Godzilla's foot is in motion. We're going to bring this up and in and then over to here. We'll make a line across here and then add some curve lines for the claws and curve lines over here too. We'll add a little line here and here just for like the bottom of his foot. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. We're going to bring it here. We're going to jump up and then bring it around here for the tail. Now, let's add some details on Godzilla. Let's start with the spikes. So let's add a row of sharp pointed spikes on here. So we're just going to make these jagged pointed spikes coming all the way down the back here. And we're just going to bring these down here. And then we're going to put these coming right across here as well. Next, we're going to put another row of longer, jagged spikes right across there. And we're going to make these come all the way across. And we're just going to fill up the back here. Now let's go ahead and make some details. Let's kind of add some little lines coming right across here and some lines coming across the top. We'll add a little broken line kind of right around the mouth and everything. And then we'll add some more kind of broken lines here. Let's add some broken lines coming right across here. We'll make some little curves on the claws here as well. Let's make some broken lines coming right across here. And then some little broken lines coming down here as well. Let's add these rounded curve shapes for where the knee is going to be. And we'll do that same thing here, just kind of these curve shapes. And then we're going to make these long kind of broken lines coming across here. We're going to make some lines coming down here. And then we're also going to do some kind of broken lines here. And some broken lines across there. Let's make some lines coming down here. And then some lines here too. Now, next, let's work on the D-Rex. So let's just begin by making some lines kind of right around the mouth here, and some little up and down lines. Make some more little wrinkle shapes right there. We'll add a couple little lines right here. Then we'll add some claws up here, and then a little claw here. Let's make some little broken lines coming down, some little wrinkles. Then we'll do a couple little lines up here on the arm and hand. Let's do some lines here for like the ribs, and then a couple little lines kind of up and down the tail and the back. Let's put some claws here, and then a couple little detail lines right here. And then a couple on the head too. And there you go, there's your drawing of Godzilla versus the D-Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.